Yo. So right off the bat, we've got a bunch of orders. I'm just waking up, so I'm still trying to process what actually came in. Actually, let me pick this up and then I'll do that because I am right here already.
Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, so the original order they gave me was a Starbucks, and then they gave me that 7-Eleven, and then they gave me another Starbucks, which, okay, luckily it is the same one. I was a little worried about that. So in that order, it was $7 going about 5 miles, then $5 going 2 miles, and then the last one was $5 going an extra 1 mile. On the way to the last drop-off, and they gave me another add-on. This is for 7-Eleven. This is $7 going 4 miles.
Not going behind them.
Enjoy your cookie butter breakfast in peace. Plus tax, terms and conditions apply.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, now we're moving on to our first DoorDash order of the day. This is going to be on Earn by Time. This is a Wendy's going 6 miles. Still on my way to the restaurant, and they're already messaging me asking for extras. Yeah, this has got to be a no tip.
Thank you for your visit, but we are currently closed for Thanksgiving. Please visit us again on Friday.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I answer you?
Hi, it's
Hello.
gonna be a couple minutes, okay?
Okay.
Go for 4 and I'll be there. Thank you.
Oh my God, it's always waiting. Always waiting at Wendy's.
Have a good day.
You too. Would you look at that? That was a no tip. Total for that was $7 and change. Next up is a stack going to the same person. Got Black Rock Coffee and Starbucks, and these are going about 4.5 miles. Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that stack was $8. Going back to Starbucks for this one. This is $7 going 3 miles.
Craig?
Yes.
I got these too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll go.
I'm not even exaggerating when I say this, but they just try to give me 20, at least 20 Lowe's orders that are $13 going 20 miles plus. Next up is Donut Nook. This is going just under 2 miles. Oh, they are not open actually. Luckily, I got an order as soon as I pulled up to this place. It is a Starbucks, $9 going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Total for that one was $9. Nice. That one was really good. Got this one right away. This is a Starbucks, $6 going less than a mile.
Hi, welcome. All right, all set for you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got this right away. Got a stack. I'm not sure if it's going to the same person or not, but this is Voodoo Donut and Starbucks, $17 going 6 miles.
Just need to show that you have, yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great one.
Got this right away. It is a Burgerville. This is $11 going 6 miles. Got it? Have a good day. Gotta seize the bagel. This is $8 going 4 miles.
Yeah.
Hey, do you know them?
Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a McDonald's, $7 going 2.5 miles. Got this right away. It is for a different McDonald's. This one, I think it was $8 going 4 miles, something like that. Next order up is a Victorico's. This one is going 3.5 miles. Oof, no tip on that one. Total for that was $5 and change. Trash. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 3.5 miles. Thank you. I don't think I got the drop off. My camera was being a little weird, but the total for that one was just under $6. Okay, time to go home, I think. Current time is 10:12. Current total, we are at 133. And I think just waiting on one Uber tip. So I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. Really good day today, surprisingly. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. So go ahead and let me know what you guys are thankful for. Personally, I am thankful for anyways, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.